Hey guys, so as you can see, we are going to be making a container to hold my tea bags. So I bought a bunch of these little squares and then some E6000. Just a FYI, that stinks really bad, super strong. So wear a mask or something if it bothers you. And then I use my hot glue gun, and then as you can see, I have these little pails that are gonna go inside, and that would be my part 2, so stay tuned to that. And then as you can see, I'm just gonna stack these all up and glue them all together and go from there. Alright guys, so as you can see, I have glued them together. It took about maybe a day or so because I really let it dry as much as possible as I could, because even though I put the hot glue and the E6000 on it, it still was moving around a little bit. So I just wanted to make sure it all adhered together so it doesn't break apart. Now we're going to be painting it. My theme is buffalo black and white checker print. So I am going to paint this black so that way it matches my dining room area. So you are going to just spread the paint on it, and it's going to take a good minute, so just stay tuned and you'll see it when it's finished. Alright guys, as you can see it's still partially wet, but I wanted to show you partially what it looks like so far. So we have most all the paint on there already. Some spots are still drying. I let it dry quite a bit and then obviously put some more coats on it. I don't know exactly how many coats I used. I just eyed it wherever I thought that it needed some extra coats or look a little plain there. I just added a little bit more onto it. I definitely put some on the edges, as you can see here. I put some on the edges, and this is the dry version of it. So there's another little teacup thing. And I was kind of contemplating which one I was going to use, but if you stay tuned to part 2, you will see my DIY. Hey guys, so I wanted to show you how I hooked it to the wall. Originally I had some teeth and some nails and I hooked it in there, but they kept coming out. So I decided to get the wire for picture frames, and I wrapped it around and put it in these holes carefully, and that's how I hung it on the wall. Hey y'all, so as you can see, this is the finished product on the wall, and I hope you guys like it. Hey y'all, it's Kraftsbyjazzy. Thanks for watching my videos, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and stay tuned to see more of my DIYs, shopping sprees, and more.